Ordered some parts for the Typhoon. Some LED lights for the gauge cluster. We threw in a couple stickers. Pretty cool. All this is from Sport Machines. This here is the vacuum line kit. So there's also installation instructions, and hopefully that'll fix my boost leak problems. And here, this is a forge wastegate. Set this down. After a little bit, I got it out. It's the wastegate. Nice and shiny, wow. It's the billet wastegate. I'm not sure. This might be like a mounting plate to the turbo or something. Sticker. And another sticker there, Sport Machines. So, and hopefully this will be a good upgrade. Hopefully I can build boosts better than I normally could. I just dropped that pin. Okay. So, yeah. A lot of goodies from Sport Machines. I'm very excited about this. I'm going to be doing a how-to video on how to install the vacuum lines. If you have a Cyclone or Typhoon, you can watch the video and hopefully that'll help you out. Video on the forge wastegate and how to install that, and as well as the gauge cluster lights. These I'm going to wait on a little while. I don't feel like pulling apart the dash right now.